In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy slides from one presentation to another in PowerPoint. This task might seem simple, but it's essential if you want to consolidate ideas or share materials. Let's get started right away, shall we? First, you'll need both PowerPoint presentations open. This step is crucial, as it allows you to easily toggle between the presentations, ensuring a smooth copying and pasting process. So, if you haven't done so already, make sure both your source presentation, where you want to copy the slides from, and your destination presentation, where you wish to place the copied slides, are open and running on your computer. Next, navigate to your source presentation. This is the presentation containing slides you want to duplicate into another file. Have a look through the list of slides on the left-hand side of your PowerPoint window. Now, select the specific slide or slides you wish to copy. You can do this by clicking on a slide to select it. If you need multiple slides, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each slide you intend to select. This ensures that all the necessary content is chosen without omitting any crucial parts. Once your slides are selected, it's time to copy them. You have a couple of options here. The simplest method is to right-click on the selected slide or slides and choose Copy from the context menu that appears. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C. Both methods achieve the same result and are equally effective, so feel free to choose whichever you're more comfortable with. Now, let's move on to the destination presentation. This is where you want your copied slides to go. Simply switch over to this presentation by selecting its window from your taskbar or through the PowerPoint interface. In the destination file, direct your attention to the Slides pane located on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll be able to see a list of all slides currently in the presentation. To paste your copied slides into this presentation, right-click within the Slides pane. A menu will appear, and here you should select Paste. Watch as your selected slides are seamlessly inserted into the destination presentation. If you're happy with where they appear, great. If not, you can easily drag them to rearrange their order to better suit the flow of your presentation. And there you have it. In under 5 minutes, you've successfully copied slides from one PowerPoint presentation to another. It might seem like a small task, but mastering this skill can greatly enhance your efficiency and flexibility when working with presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.